May bago na naman tayong titikman sa Greenwich mga chicken lovers. Crunchy, juicy, super flavorful winter wings from Greenwich. Available in 3 flavors, the barbecue, spicy Korean, and garlic parmesan. Starts at 99 pesos only. Mas satisfy mo na ang chicken wings cravings mo. The barbecue flavor is slightly sweet and savory. I like it kasi hindi overpowering yung barbecue flavor. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ng family ko. Juicy, tasty, and tender yung fried chicken. And I like na very generous sila sa sauce. This is the spicy Korean. Ito yung pinaka-favorite namin ng son ko. I expected this to taste like gochujang. I think there's a hint, pero ang lasa niya for me is spicy version ng barbecue flavor. Look at that gloss. Nako, sinaid ng son ko yung sauce nito. Medium level yung spice nito for me, kaya kung mahilig kayo sa spicy food, this is the flavor for you. But beware kasi nakakarami to ng rice. Kulang ang 1 cup kasi gaganahan ka talaga kumain. The next flavor is the garlic parmesan. Lasang-lasa ko yung butter dito and generous sila sa parmesan cheese. I personally prefer the saucy ones. Kanya-kanyang preference lang yan kasi yung daughter ko, ito naman yung favorite. This Greenwich Winter Wings is available na this May in Luzon and sa Visayas Mindanao stores is on June 5. Available in a la carte and value meals. Ang sarap na ulit mag-chicken wings kasi medyo maulan na rin. Favorite namin mag-munch ng chicken wings while watching a good movie or TV show. You can use my promo code I am Kim Rods para may discount when you order via Greenwich website.